Hey guys, welcome to another week and to another technical analysis here at the Trader's Edge. Today is the 20th of July 2015, and before we begin, as always, remember this is general advice only, not individual advice, so do trade at your own risk. Now let's begin the week. We've had some good good signals so far. Now starting with the euro, pretty much till the end of last week, we did see that price action was very bearish, and the medium and short-term outlook is still bearish. Now we did see the testing of the 0817 support level. Now if this level is broken and we did see the price action close below it today, we are likely to see a retest of the 0465 key support level, which is the 12-year low. So be on the lookout for that. At this stage I've got my trade set just at a 50% retracement of Friday's pin bar, so we'll see how that goes. Now be aware, if you are jumping in short on this trade, we should see a retracement further up, and possibly even a test of that 8-day EMA before we see breakthrough. So be aware of that. We may not see a test of the 8-day EMA. We may see just a break to the downside, but when you are setting your stop losses, be aware of that. Now it's just been a ripper trade is the gold. So gold, let me just put that on. Yep, click. There we go. So with the gold, as we can see today, it was just phenomenal. I was short since Friday on it after we saw the gold break through this 1141 level, and it just they booked some really good profit just at a 1098. So oh sorry, no, at 1099. So that was a decent profit there, and we did see, of course, after any big move you will see this kind of retracement back or correction. So a bit expected. So we'll see where price action turns ends up today before deciding where the next move is. And if you've missed out on this one, unfortunately, you will have to just hold in there and we'll before jumping in on another one, just we don't want to be losing out money. So now on the pound, let's just click over there. Oh, there we go. So the pound, now we did see, this one's a bit of a funny one at this stage. We did see a fakie formation with the break of the inside candle, and then we did see another fakie formation yesterday. Oh, sorry, on Friday. And so at this stage, I am still bullish on this trade, but I am in on a trade still from Friday's Thursday's bar, but if you're not in the trade, I suggest just hold on the sides, wait until we get a clear signal, and then we'll go from there. So that's the story there on sterling. The euro pound, now that one, as we saw all last week, was just so much downward pressure and just kept on declining, pushing past the 70.11 level, and now it's getting closer to, we'll just zoom back out, so 68.88 is the next key support. So at this stage I am expecting to see a little bit more correction up to the 70.11 level before we see more downward pressure. RSI, it's at 36, so it's nearly oversold there. It was much lower that today, but we did see a bit of a correction happening, so I'd be staying on the sidelines at this stage, but later into the week I am expecting to see a retest of the 68.88 level, so that's another exciting one to look out for. Now the loonie, so the loonie at this stage very bullish. It's been testing the 29.97 key support, key resistance level on Friday. It did get rejected from it, as we'll zoom in, and close below it. So at this stage, as we are oversold on the daily, and let's just have a look on a weekly, we are just approaching oversold. I'd be expecting a little bit of a pullback first, possibly even to the 8-day EMA before we get further push higher. So that's an exciting one to get into. You may be considering, getting in a short at this stage up to the 8-day EMA before going in long and catching that move. So that's that one there. And last but not least for this Monday of ours, which is pretty exciting, we do have the yen. So the yen again just had a phenomenal week last week. It did see quite a lot of growth, and we did get the bias to change to a bullish one. Now it is back in this range, so we are going to be waiting to see what happens, if it's going to break and close above the 124.46 level. So if it does, then I'm expecting to see price action to retest that 125.5 level, or possibly even higher. So that's the story there. And apart from that, that's pretty much it. So there's still quite a bit of movement on the Kiwi dollar. Check that out, guys. I won't have time to speak about length about that one today, but I will cover it tomorrow once we get a more clearer signal. And that's about it. So have safe trading, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as I do bring out a new video every day, so that way you'll know exactly when this one comes out and can jump in on those opportunities and don't miss another one, like the gold trade, which was phenomenal. It's probably what we're going to go down as one of the best trades of the year. I gained close to, I think, 450 pips on that one, so it was a really good trade. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, click the big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good